Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Facebook Pixel on Kickstarter landing page. So first of all we have to log in on our Facebook Business Manager. Then we need to go to data sources. Under the data sources we can see the Pixel option here. So we need to go to the Pixels. Then we need to create a new Pixel for our landing page. So here we need to click on add button here. Now we need to add a name, so I'm going to add a name here. Then we need to click on continue. Then we have to choose set up the pixel. Now we need to click on manually add pixel code to website option. So we need to copy the code from here. We have to turn on the automatic advanced matching. Then we need to click on continue. Now we can close this. So now we need to copy the pixel ID from here. Now we have to log in on our Kickstarter dashboard. So here we can see the options. We need to go to the promotion option. Now we need to scroll down, then we can see meta pixel option here. So we have to place the pixel ID here. Now we need to click on save. So our pixel is connected to our Kickstarter landing page. Thank you for watching the video. If you were benefited from the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.